Money that is not controlled by any government or bank is normally known as cryptocurrency. Unlike the US dollar or the euro, the value of cryptocurrencies is not controlled by a single authority, but rather by the community that supports it. My name is Paul Jaramillo. This is CryptoSchool of CryptoForce, a series for you to learn everything about cryptocurrencies. In this second chapter we bring you, what is a cryptocurrency and what do they work for? The majority of people who are dedicated to buying these digital currencies are called investors. They handle them in the same way that they would with an investment in shares or precious metals. Investing in Bitcoin carries a high level of risk due to the extensive research that is required to understand how each system works. As we have previously mentioned, Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008 defined Bitcoin as a decentralized electronic money system between peers. All the movements that are made in a network such as Bitcoin are data that are stored for life. How do they work? As we have already stated, cryptocurrencies are not supported by any bank, nor by a government, so how do they manage to work? This is a subject that could expand a lot, but in short, cryptocurrencies work thanks to the technology called blockchain, a technology that is becoming stronger and stronger. The price of cryptocurrencies is decided by the well-known law of supply and demand. The more demand there is for a cryptocurrency, the greater its value. Although there are also other factors that can help make a cryptocurrency worth a lot or nothing. While the money is printed by the governments and central banks of the world, the cryptocurrencies are created from certain parameters that are established in the projects. Some come out by something called mining, an activity in which the community participates, who are the main reference of cryptocurrencies. In this world there are many names that have been relevant to the formation of this enormous ecosystem. Each one of them has contributed a certain technology or idea to go even further. The first of them has to be Satoshi Nakamoto, the most well-known and unknown developer at the same time. His identity is a mystery, but his ideas will remain forever. Vitalik Buterin is the founder of the project called Ethereum, an idea that revolutionized cryptocurrencies to the point of being able to make transactions between other networks without the need for a human intermediary. It is also the beginning of recognized Web3 games such as Axie Infinity. We have the reference Changpeng Zhao, founder of Binance, a huge cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users from all over the world with their local money to buy and sell this digital money. This is the end of today's video. My name is Paul Jaramillo and we are CryptoForce and we hope you have learned a lot with this lesson. We invite you to subscribe if you are interested in learning more and more about cryptos.